When linear equations with different coefficients appear, to solve for the unknowns, they can be solved by multiplication and division. So there are a number of steps in solving equations with unequal coefficients. So let's look at the two equations. 2x plus y equals 7, x minus 2y equals 6. So step 1, write both equations in standard form. If any coefficients are fractions, clear them. The format: both equations are in the standard form, ax plus by equals c, and there are no fractions. And your equations again are 2x plus y equals 7 and x minus 2y equals 6. Step 2. Make the coefficients of one variable opposites. Decide which variable will be eliminated. Multiply one or both equations so that the coefficients of that variable are opposites. Eliminate the y's by multiplying the first equation by 2. Multiply both sides of the equation by 2. So the first equation is 2 times 2x plus y equals 2 times 7. Second equation, x minus 2y equals 6. In step 3, we add the equations resulting from step 2 to eliminate one variable. You add the x's, y's, and constants. So for equation 1, we have 4x plus 2y equals 14. Equation 2, x minus 2y equals 6. Add the two equations. We have 5x equals 20. In step 4, we solve for the remaining variable. We solve for x. 5x equals 20. Divide both sides by 5. X equals 4. In step 5, we substitute the solution from step 4 into one of the original equations, then solve for the other variable. Substitute x equals 4 into the first equation, then solve for y. So the first equation is 4 times 4 plus 2y equals 14. Second equation, 16 plus 2y equals 14. Subtract 16 from both sides of the equation. We end up with 2y equals negative 2 and y equals negative 1. So then we go on to step 6. You write the solution as an ordered pair. You write it as x comma y, or 4 comma negative 1. Then check that the ordered pair is a solution to both original questions. This is called the proof. Substitute 4, negative 1 into both equations. Do they make both equations true? The answer, yes. Equation 1, 2 times 4 plus negative 1 equals 7. 8 minus 1 equals 7, and 7 equals 7. Both sides are the same. Second equation, 4 minus, in brackets, 2 times negative 1 equals 6. It becomes 4 minus 2 equals 6. That becomes 4 plus 2 equals 6, and 6 equals 6. Both sides are identical, and you've proven the solution.